Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can read all about it in the Lifestyle Guide. You can get this on Amazon. Welcome to my closet. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And here's the thing about curating a wardrobe you love and actually doing the work of curating a wardrobe you love. When you do that, when you put the work in and you make the decisions in advance, it's going to make your decision making so much easier when it comes to shopping. You're going to make way less mistakes. You're going to be very choosy about what you bring into your closet. You're going to be very picky. And by picky, I mean almost like really insisting on quality. Because if you're going to have something hanging in your closet, it has to be something that's wonderful. It has to be something you love, something you're going to get a lot of use out of. There's no sense purchasing something that you're not going to use. There's no sense spending good money to have it hang here and not use it. And just so on that note, I want to encourage all of you. This is a rule I've made for myself. No purchasing after 9:30 p.m., especially off of Instagram. Because that's where mistakes are made. When you're tired and you're maybe just scrolling, and next thing you know, you've bought a sweater that you can't return, and there you go. So that's my own personal rule. No purchases after 9:30 when I'm scrolling on social media. And that has just saved me. And anyway, if I'm going to purchase something, that it has to be intentional. It has to be something that's going to fit in with what I already have. It's going to have to be something that I can use over and over again. So just a little side tip, just a little encouragement. Save your hard-earned money and spend your time making decisions in advance so that when you find the perfect thing, you can just buy it. So on Wednesdays, I like to come into my closet, bring it back to start. And when I say that, it is basically just the process of organizing it, bringing it back to start. I'm not going to say perfection because that's not it. It's just organizing it because the weekend is coming and it gets busy on the weekend. And so I just want to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. I pull out extra hangers so that it looks nice. And this just tells me how much stuff is in the wash and maybe items that may need to be ironed before the weekend. The more you bring your wardrobe back to start, the easier it is, the faster it is. And it just really keeps your closet on point, which is fantastic. I am still implementing my ideas that I mentioned last week. But I'm pretty much done. It's so fast, it's so fun, it's so easy. I highly encourage you to set time aside during the week, whatever day makes the most sense for you, and just spend a few minutes bringing it back to start. So this idea of bringing it back to start, I learned from my dear friend Jennifer, who we were visiting her. She had 4 little kids. They had done a number on her cute little house. They had pulled out all their toys and they were entertaining us. It was fantastic. But you know, very quickly 4 kids can make a mess. And so my friend Jennifer is so smart. She just out of the blue, she said, let's bring everything back to start. And to my shock, I watched those 4 children put away their toys. The house was neat. They grabbed a book and they all went to their rooms, and the house was quiet and it was clean. It was organized. And the kids were in their rooms reading. And I thought, oh, Jennifer, you are so smart. And so that's where I get the idea of bringing my wardrobe back to start. It's kind of like getting all the chaos out at least once a week so that I can enjoy the process of getting dressed every day. I hope this inspires you to bring your closet back to start. And like I said, the more you do it, the faster it is, the easier it is, and it's just really a fantastic way to really keep your wardrobe top of mind, your closet top of mind. And if you're a human, you may go into your closet on a Wednesday and say, I'm going to do what Heidi says, and I'm going to bring it back to start. And then you may have a thought that passes through your mind. And it may be a thought that keeps you from doing it. Or it may be a thought like, I wish I could blah, 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 dot, 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 blank, blank, blank. So pay attention to those thoughts, because those are thoughts that can feel uncomfortable because we're just letting them spin in our head. I'm here to encourage you to pay attention to the thought that you have. Your thought may be, I'm overwhelmed, where do I start? There's so much that I need to do. It could be any of those things. Like I said, I'm a closet coach. And if you want help going through the process of bringing your wardrobe to a place where you enjoy the process of getting dressed every day, just raise your hand. Okay, so here's another thing you may not know. I created a 5-day training. It's free, link in bio. It is a wonderful way to get started on your personal closet journey. So grab that and have so much fun. I hope you all have a fantastic evening. Thank you for joining, and we'll talk soon. Bye.